Well, good afternoon or good morning or whatever time of day it is where you are, Moody historical geographers and historical geographets. We are entering into week 8, our last week together in this course in historical geography of ancient Israel. I trust it's been a great trek for you. And I suppose you feel a little bit like Solomon right now when he said in Ecclesiastes, better is the end of a thing than its beginning. But do keep in mind the remainder of the verse as you wrap things up this week and wait for your grade. And the patient in spirit is better than the proud in spirit. And as I said last week, if you have kept up, outstanding. If not, you'll need to hustle this week and get her done. But as you do so, remember the thoughts that follow here in the devotional. And with that, in your tool belt and geared up to complete the course this week, let's look at how to wrap it up. You're completing the course, and I trust you're doing so. Our hearts are an open book. Let's start to wrap things up, prepared and preparing for what's ahead. Yes, you're working with the ministry of Christ this week. Understanding the historical geography of Israel should greatly enhance your appreciation of Jesus' ministry. Your objectives are 3. To explain how geographical features impact our interpretation of the Bible using a specific example from the life of Christ. To conduct and report on a critical study in historical geography of ancient Israel. And to evaluate and discuss the impact of geography in the life and ministry of Jesus. You're going to watch the instructor introductory video, A1. You're going to watch the online class examples in KMZ files A2 and A3. You want to read in Beitzel, the New Moody Atlas, pages 238 to 249 about Jesus' early years. You've got a discussion board question. How did geography play a role in the life and movements of Jesus? Or could he have lived and traveled in any other part of the world as it was known in his time? Why or why not? Again, don't just give me a bland theological answer. Work the geography into your discussion here. Why was Jesus' ministry here in Israel as opposed to other places it might have been in those days? And then you've got your assignment number 5 due and your major course project. And I'm looking forward to reading these and grading your work and really enjoying your final contributions to the course. And one more time, remember my admonitions to maintain contact with one another. We're supposed to be encouraging one another to love and good works. That's part of what discipleship is. And that requires it being personal and biblical. So work closely to maintain contact with one another. Well, that's another week's announcement. And for my travels here in Israel this week, I was up at Jaffa or Yaffo just this past Sunday morning. That's where Jonah was fleeing from the Lord, and it's also where Peter experienced the lowering of the sheets at Simon the Tanner's house. I've got a fun video on Rosh Hashanah as well. I had the privilege of spending Rosh Hashanah with a Jewish family here in Holon, Israel. 2 members of that family are believers. So it was a great evening Sunday night, this past Sunday night, as we celebrated Rosh Hashanah together. Well, that's it. If you need to contact me, please do. One last thing, please be sure to fill out the online evaluation of the course. That helps us both in developing the courses and improving them, as well as improving professor performance, that of yours truly, as I continue to facilitate and teach this course in historical geography of Israel. Well, that's it. I look forward to grading your work. Probably one more announcement after I get the grading done, just to let you know. God bless.